Hello there, and welcome back to Backyard Birds Weekly, where we are dangerously close to returning to a weekly show. Not quite there yet. It is a very cold and foggy morning. I'm checking out the feeder here to see how we're doing. There's still some intact seed there, but I'll probably have to clean that up later. It's about 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's still quite nice. Usually in the morning the feeders are pretty active, although it's looking like my feeder over here is gonna need a refill. And it's super important that, if you have feeders up during the winter, that you're filling those up pretty consistently, because a lot of these birds, they're kind of hanging around just for your feeders. They don't have alternative foods. Well, there were a lot of birds here a second ago, but I only see these guys up here. I'm assuming they're house finches. Looks like. Yeah. Let's zoom back out. I am desperately trying to get better at the video portion of these. Not shaking the camera as much and not making you guys feel all dizzy. I was hoping we'd have more birds to talk about. Although there's a nuthatch titmouse. I'm just hanging out here. Ugh. Shaky hands. Kind of having an existential crisis about the channel, or at least this portion of the channel. I don't know if I'm happy with the format or how I'm doing this. I know jeez, pay attention to what you're doing, Jay. I know there isn't a built-in audience for this sort of thing. And I really appreciate you all who are watching this now. And they're gone too. Well, heck. Or just walk. Yeah, I really appreciate you all that are here now. But I don't know. I'm not super interested in doing a lot of, YouTube-y stuff. Ooh, I do see a woodpecker. He's up there. I don't know if you'll get a good view, though. I'm horrible at finding birds on the camera. I can see him with my two eyes. There he is. There he is. It's a red-bellied woodpecker, and it does look like it's a dude. We'll see if I can get a better position over here. Oh wow. While I was doing all that, a bunch of birds show up. That's kind of how it is. Looks like these might be some siskins mixed in with some house finches. And the siskins are still here in their eruption. Looking good. Although there have been some goldfinches mixed in with them. Can't quite tell right now, it's too dark up. Anywho, talking about the channel, and I don't know. I just want to have good stuff. And I know this isn't always Good stuff. But I'm working on it. Did have a pretty good week though. We'll have one new bird to the channel. Although I'm not 100% sure what that bird is. You'll see in the videos. I submitted it on What Is This Bird, or What Is This Bird on Reddit. And well, it's one of two options, but no one there was really able to tell me either. That's fine. There's a chickadee over here. Ooh. And a mockingbird? I guess you just have to take my word for it. Maybe you could hear that mockingbird. Hear him. And there was a starling somewhere to our left. I don't know if the camera caught it, but that mockingbird just flew right over us. It's a nice morning. I like this. I talked about this last time. I could just sit here and listen to the birds or watching the birds. I'm kind of pleased with myself that I'm getting better at identifying bird calls. Hey, there is. That's. We're not going to be able to do any better. Well, I've probably taken enough of your time this morning. And it looks like my pups are quite tired of me not taking them inside so they can have their breakfast. So, we'll leave it at that. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful week. You know, take some time, look for some birds to enjoy, or whatever you enjoy. Just take some time for yourself. Make sure you do that. It's rough for everyone out there, and you just got to take care of yourselves. Yeah. I will talk to you guys later. In the meantime, let's take a look at those birds.